it's Davey's birthday. I'm making him some breakfast in bed. We got pancakes going. We got sausage. I'm gonna do some hash browns. And we have some yogurt. It's gonna be like a little feast. Ooh.
Now I can feel.
Look at this fancy. Yay.
Happy birthday, hon. Your pinky was even up. Is it good?
So good, thank you.
Can I have a bite? Can I have a bite?
Is that maple syrup?
Hi, Zach. Good morning.
Oh, still a bite.
Well, thanks, buddy.
Oh.
You gonna stay here while I open it?
No.
All right.
Wait.
Do you have something to say to Dad? It's his birthday. Just a hug. Sometimes a hug is worth a million words. Huh, Ender?
Love you, buddy.
Love you, Dad.
Best present ever.
Happy birthday, downhill. Happy birthday, Dad.
Oh!
This is a sock head. It's a sock head. Put it on you.
Oh.
Put it on you.
That's fancy.
Okay. I made that.
A picture of me?
And $1?
I snuck it from your room.
The money or the picture?
No, the picture.
Oh, okay.
You look cuddly as a bear. Put the shark head on now. Let's see Dad run around the house.
You want to sit on the couch? It's for the puppy now.
Swim on the ground like a real shark.
Yay!
Riding a shark?
Shark rider.
Okay, we're doing the cake reveal. Oh, jet surf, honey, look at that, fancy pants.
It's taped on.
That's awesome.
Mom, did I see it?
Did you plan that?
I told her to do that, yeah. I said he loves to jet surf.
That's awesome, honey,
She said,
thanks.
what is that? Is surfing okay? I said, yeah, surfing's fine.
Daisy, enough of this talk about snow. What? Oh my
Looks like
head.
it's snowing over there.
It's still summertime.
No, it's not. We're back in school.
fine.
It's September. That's.
Ugh,
But it can't snow. Halloween hasn't even happened yet.
this is not good. Not good at all.
Oh my gosh, mostly the hot tub is frost, everything.
Alright, chickies out of the way. Let's check out the pool. Oh, nice and nasty. It's ready to blow away. Oh, jeez. We gotta do something about that nastiness. Oh, man. And it is cold today. Alright, I thought what better to do on my birthday than to clean out the pool.
Should we take down the frame and then like lay it down so we can dump it? Smells bad.
Okay, things just went from bad to worse. I don't know if this is the best idea, but we're going for it. Oh man. Like I'm just saying, let's get it out of here and kind of fold it up and then like finish cleaning it a little bit on a not crazy day.
Dang it, it's in my shoe!
Oh crap! April! Okay, it's down, it's down. We gotta get this down.
Look at my leg!
April!
I'm gonna die!
Get out of there!
Help me! It's lifting me off the ground!
Okay.
How do we get these
I
out?
don't know, they're hard.
Oh my gosh, we're not gonna be able to hold on to this. Hurry!
You gotta get the little piece off. I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Let's start.
Ow, my knee!
Right there.
Victory! Okay, I reek of chicken poo. Oh my gosh, that was the most disgusting thing I think I've ever done. Worst poopy diaper experience times a million. Chicken poo. Pool. Oh, this is the aftermath. All these nasty, dirty towels. Ew. Are you okay?
Best birthday ever.
Look at my sweater.
You're nasty.
I smell like, I reek. I went inside and all the warm air hit me and I was like, I could smell myself. I can't smell
You were
myself
rolling
right now.
around in it.
I know, I
like-
have it up my leg.
It's like my mama always says.
I'm covered
don't-
head to toe in chicken crap.
You don't notice the manure till you step out of it.
Head to toe. I'm gonna go take a bath. What were you doing while we were playing in the chicken poo? You sitting here eating your breakfast?
I want another one.
Another one what? Oh.
Yeah.
Evie, do you
I
like
decided
your
we
dresses?
want to like get her a bunch of dresses because that's all she wears every day. The rest of her clothes do not matter.
I'm sure as soon as we buy all the dresses, then she'll decide
Oh,
that
she wants
pants
to
are
put it on
okay.
right now.
Oh, she wants it on. She's
gotta
ripping
buy
her
it
clothes
first.
off. She threw her pizza on the floor.
She says, "I'm taking it."
Oh, that one's pretty.
Look
I'm
at-
gonna get her a 3T so that it lasts longer and it's longer on her.
Whoa.
She can wear a 3T. That one's pretty too. Do you like this one?
Get her all the dresses.
Yeah.
Does it have a good swishability? Kind of swish it and see if it's good. Is that good? Yeah? You like the blue Elsa one too? You didn't want the glitter?
No, that is not happening.
This glitter
Red
might
one.
be
Did we get the
okay.
red one?
This glitter doesn't seem bad. I like this gold one. Let's find a 3T. She can wear 3Ts in dresses. She just
Give
likes
it the
them
glitter
longer.
test.
Oh, that's good. Pass the glitter test. Evie, are you trying to get your dress off? Which one do you want?
Okay, EB couldn't wait. Let's see it, EB. Let's see your dress.
Hold on, let me get it buttoned in tight.
Spin around. Let's see. Oh, it works. Oh, that's the dress you're wearing. Spin around. Let's see it.
Wow.
Yep, that one too.
Is that a really pretty dress?
Really pretty dress. Just talking away.
All right, so my cute friend Tara made this cake. Go check her Instagram out. It's called Sweet Sunday Cake.
Happy birthday.
That's it, piece. It's okay.
All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Daisy.
Davey. Oh.
This is called the chicken flat fight.
Hey, you're doing
That makes a good sound.
This is literally the best cake I've ever had.
Yeah, let's try that cake out.
Nailed the frosting. I was just telling Roberta yesterday about how creepy this shirt was, and I was like, oh, we gotta find one. Don't worry. Mama, no, don't stretch it. We want to see the creepiness of his face.
I'm trying to. I think
Show
it's
me your
really
smile.
cute.
No, I'm telling you right now, it is a great shirt because it's so bad that it's actually good. It's one of those. I want to know who's been watching long enough to where they remember those shirts. Comment below if you remember. If you've been here that long and you know what we're talking about, I want to hear from you. And comment below if you're new and you don't know what we're talking about too, if you would want one. If you want a shirt like that, because we can always bring it back.
Well, they're gonna want it.
Uh-oh.
I cannot think of a better place to be than right here today. It's been a kind of a hard day. Sorry about your birthday being kind of crappy.
Really a bad day, but I'm not gonna let it affect our day. We're gonna go to the temple. Look, here we are. Oh, hey, thank you. We finished up at the temple, and we're gonna have a nice, delightful dinner without any screaming kids. Just me and my girl.
Andrew's been making maps all day long. He has got an entire Halloween bucket full of maps, right? And where do these maps lead, Ender?
To Tettle.
Are you a pirate?
Actually, I'm just making them.
Wait, you're not a pirate?
I am a pirate.
Because I had a pirate patch over here. I knew you were a pirate, Ender. They are, matey.
Oh, my dear.
All right, now it's time for bed, pirate.
Focus on the map. Scallywags, you make. Wait, what?
You scallywags, you better subscribe to my channel.
You scallywags, you better retire your channel.
Bye.